Hey everyone, 2026.2 just dropped and there's quite a bit to cover. 2 product renames, offline sync coming to Devolutions Cloud, and MFA on PAM checkouts, something a lot of you have been asking about for compliance reasons. I'll walk you through the highlights. For everything else, release notes are linked in the description. Now let's start with workforce password management. First, the rebrand. Hub Business and Hub Personal have been merged and renamed. Everything is now Devolutions Cloud. If you were a Hub Personal user, your account has been migrated over for you, and don't worry, it's still free. If you ever want collaboration features like shared vaults, access requests, gateway, reports, and PAM, upgrading is pretty straightforward. There are packages to suit teams of different sizes. Starting with workforce password management, we've also renamed our workspace products to Devolutions Password Manager, a more fitting name for what the product actually does. It's the desktop and mobile apps, along with browser extension for quickly accessing vaulted credentials and data. We've also changed the term we previously used for data sources to workspaces. Whenever you want to connect to your data from one of our apps, simply add or create a new workspace in the cloud or host it yourself. Back to Password Manager, we've now added a built-in file importer. If you need to migrate from another password manager such as KeePass or from a CSV or XML file, you can do so directly in the app. The import makes it easy to bring in external content to a specific workspace and vault, saving you time. It's available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. We've also added a nifty global search bar in the top navigation that lets you search all your workspaces and vaults at once from a single place. This makes it much easier to find the exact item you're looking for, no matter where you are within the app. A brand new social login credential type is now available for website entries. You can associate a website with your stored federated provider. That way, you're not hunting to remember which stored social login you use in which website. Plus, our apps will do their magic and let you know if they've found a match, giving you a smoother sign-in flow. In remote access management for entries that are often used by multiple users, RDP sessions, terminal servers, service accounts, that kind of thing, our cloud and self-hosted workspaces support multiple simultaneous checkouts on a single entry, so teammates can access resources at the same time without losing visibility into who has access to what. Moving on to remote desktop management and IT operations, in RDM, we've improved how offline mode works with Devolutions Cloud. You could already read your cloud workspace while offline, now you can edit it while disconnected. When RDM reconnects to the workspace and comes back online, it will sync and ask whether you want to process the changes that occurred. This keeps your content accessible so you can continue working when interruptions happen. Special actions within RDM can now access credentials that are stored externally in a different vault than the one you're currently working in. Take Quick Connect, for example. When you fire off a quick session, you can now reach into any vault you have access to and pull the exact credential you need right from the picker. Now let's say I want to update multiple sessions to use the same credentials from another vault. I can simply shift select my sessions, go into Batch Edit, choose Credentials, select Linked External Vault, choose the vault, which is Telemark, and then pick the credential I want, which is my Windows Local Administrator. And also, same goes with the Open with Parameters option. All this to help you reduce clicks and friction while you work. In the same vein, we've also added the ability to link OTP entries from a separate vault to the rest of the credentials. That matters when you want your time-based codes in a more restricted vault without splitting the credential itself across 2 entries. To help you reduce the need to access DVLS through the web for routine admin tasks, we've brought even more management tools directly into the RDM interface. Now you can manage vaults, users, groups, and licenses directly from the app. Moving on to privilege access management, just-in-time elevation becomes faster with new default elevation group capabilities. Instead of manually selecting elevation groups at every checkout, administrators can now predefine defaults or have policies automatically inherited. Another big request that we're excited to share is that you can now require MFA before a user checks out a privileged credential. Here, we're checking out a PAM account where you can see the default just-in-time group elevation in action. along with that MFA input section to access the privileged password. Two easy things that help you get things done quickly and securely at the same time with the least amount of friction. Now, that's 2026.2. If you're already on Devolutions, you'll either get this automatically or see an upgrade prompt in the app. New here? The Download Center link is in the description to get started. Drop any questions in the comments and let us know what you think.